everyone, and welcome to AH214. This week we will be reviewing the CMS 1500 form. Our chapter readings will be chapter 11. In order for a provider to be reimbursed for services rendered to a patient, the facility must alert the payer that the payment is due. This is accomplished by billing, and the bill is converted to a claim form. A claim form is the uniform bill form or electronic submission form in the format prescribed, which has been submitted to the insurance company for payment of covered services. The CMS 1500 form was developed by Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services to facilitate the processing of bills. The CMS 1500 form is the data collection form used for transmitting billing information for ambulatory claims, outpatient claims, and physician's office claims. The form is divided into two major sections. You notice up at the top you have section 1, field locator 1, all the way down to field locator 13. That's the patient and insured information. Starting at field number 14 all the way down to field number 33, you have the physician or supplier's information. So I'm going to go over a couple of these form locators that you'll see on this form and just go into a little bit of overview about them. 1A up in the top left-hand corner is the insurance ID. This is the person who holds the policy. The patient's name in field 2 is the patient. Also, that what must be included is the patient's date of birth and the patient's sex. The insured's name would go in field locator 4. The patient's address would go in field number 5. The city, the zip, and the phone number. Now, field number 6 is the patient's relationship. Self indicates the insured is the patient. Spouse indicates the husband or wife or qualified partner. And other is also defined. Field locator 7 is the insured's address. If there's another policy, it would go in field number 9, A. If the patient's condition is related to employment, auto accident, or other accident, it would be noted here, either yes or no. Field number 12 is for the authorized person's signature. It should either contain signature on file or a legible signature. This entry is that indicates that there's an authorization on file for the release of medical information necessary to adjudicate the claim. Field 13 also is the insured signature on file. It indicates the same thing, that it should either indicate signature on file or a valid signature. We'll move down all the way to field number 21. This is where the diagnosis codes will be entered. There, you can enter up to 12 diagnosis codes. Field number 25 would be the federal tax ID. And I skipped some. 24A, B, D, E, and F would be the dates of service, the place of service, the procedure code, the charge. Okay. And I talked about the federal ID. The patient's account number would be in field 36. 28 would be the total charge. If there's an amount paid by the patient, it would go in 29. The billing information in field 33. And the signature on file of the provider would go in field 31. The CMS form is the uniform bill or electronic submission outlined in a format that authorizes insurance companies to make payment for covered services. Have fun with this week and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.